Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I know that in today's video it's a little bit of a different setup. I am in my kitchen and we are going to be making something to eat today. So something that I've been wanting to try for a really long time is roasted chickpeas. I didn't make them because, long story short, I used to make this awesome cold cucumber garbanzo bean salad. It had tomatoes, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper. Was amazing. And well, we didn't eat all of it in time. I had made it for a party and nobody really ate it. So what had happened was that we were putting it down the garbage disposal, and we, lo and behold, found out that there was somehow a corroded hole in my mother-in-law's garbage disposal, and it was a mess. And so for the longest time I haven't been able to eat them. So I wanted to go ahead and make roasted chickpeas, see if I like them, see if I can eat them, because they seem like a really versatile snack, something that you can eat and not feel guilty about. So I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees. The only thing that you're gonna need really is a baking sheet. I have 2 cans of garbanzo beans here that are rinsed. And then I have some olive oil and then some Himalayan salt as well. So I'm going to scoot you guys in so that you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna put them on the baking sheet and bake them. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do today. So if you wanna see how I make roasted chickpeas, then let's just go ahead and get started. Alrighty everybody, so the first thing I'm going to do is take all of the chickpeas and put them all over this baking sheet, and then I'm taking this paper towel and just rubbing them down because it seemed like they were still kind of wet from me rinsing them. So I'm just taking this and getting all the excess moisture off. And then now I'm just taking some olive oil and I'm going to just eyeball it. There's really no correct amount. Put as little or as much as you want on them. So I am just going to drizzle this all over. And then now I'm going to take some pink Himalayan salt and just drizzle this all over them, just as much or as little as you'd like. Then I am just sticking them in the oven. I actually put it to 450 instead of 350, and I'm just gonna bake them for 20 minutes. And this is what they looked like when they came out. They look so pretty. I did sneak one, plain one. It tastes pretty good. And then now we're gonna go ahead and flavor them. So I am taking 1 lime, and you can see that I put a fork in the middle. This just really helps to get all of the lime juice out. I do this with both lemons, limes, and oranges. Just a little tip if you want to use it, but I'm just squeezing the limes all over and just kind of mixing it to make sure I don't have too much juice. And then I am taking a half a teaspoon right here, and I am also taking some of the ground ginger, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that all over the chickpeas. And then I am taking 1 teaspoon, and I am actually going to use 2 teaspoons all together with some turmeric, and again I am just going to sprinkle this all over the chickpeas. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything together, make sure that it's well incorporated and that we're not missing any of the pieces and all of them have all the delicious flavor with them. So I did try them and they are delicious. I did let them sit for a little bit so they could kind of meld with the flavor. But that is all that I have for today's video. If you guys liked this and want more recipes, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed and part of the SamFam, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified for future videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!